never make her mad. She's gonna go on a killing streak now. Wait, what? Run! Ah! Get out of my way, suckers! If somebody dies, you die too! Oh, die! Let's grab our katana. It's the police! Come out, wherever you are. Where are they? Where are they? Let's go home. That was a good day. Wait, hold up. Why do I still have my katana? There we go. Oh, what do I do now? Everyone's already dead. To restart the day. Sure. Pause. Restart day. Are you sure? Or week? Sure. Just restart. Starting from one. Yeah. Whoa. I forgot. I can't restart the day. Might as well go to sleep. People will still probably be there. Yeah, such a beautiful day today. There's blood all over me. Let's go home. Right home. They just left the bodies here. They're so messed up. So of course there isn't anybody. Whoa. Skip school. After the week ended. After the next week. Well, I know this is. Yeah. What do I do now? Whoa. You just kissed somebody! You just kissed a man without permission. What's wrong with you? Oh, I farted. It's open. Senpai. Oh, it's Konishan. How's it going? Can I talk to you for a second? Oh, sure. I want to tell you that nobody can come between us. Not even our mom. Sure. And now we can't come between us. Not even our mom. Where? Hey, excuse me. Can I talk to you for a moment? Sure. What do you need? I want to talk to you that I like you. Okay, that's quite awkward. That kid's talking to yeah, Gary. I have to go kill him. Nobody can Okay, that's kind of awkward. Wait, no. Now we have a mask. Yeah. Oh, it's really sweaty. Oh, gross. I didn't have to take out a braid. Ugh. Hey, so, yeah, can you come over today? Sure. Be prepared to die! Ugh.